Good morning, fellows. It's me, Ali, and I warmly welcome all of you in another forecast of Euro USD and the precious metal gold. Guys, I really hope that you had a very nice weekend and you guys are ready for another exciting week. So, speaking about the precious metal gold, it has traded very nicely as per our previous forecast. As you can see here, the market has violated the ascending triangle pattern, which was providing resistance somewhere around 1733 level. Market initially tried to close the candle below this level. As you can see, the market tested this level for some time, and eventually there was a bullish breakout, which was highly anticipated. And as expected, above 1733, the initial target of us was somewhere around 1744 level, and above this the market was supposed to target 1758 level. If you look at our previous videos, that was the level, target level that we had mentioned in the previous video. However, for now, let's speak about what we need to expect from now. Let's suppose, guys, the market has moved from this level to this level. Let's see how much this movement is going to be. So from this particular moment, 1705 level to 1733 level, this is around 262 pips, as you can see here. So we can expect a similar kind of movement on the higher side, so 261 pips if I must say. Then if we expect the same kind of movement, then the resistance level is going to be somewhere around 261. This is going to be somewhere around 1761 level for now. So here is something that we can expect from gold right now. Basically, as you can see, the market is forming bullish engulfing candles, and the recent candle is strongly bearish, which is suggesting that we may have a slight bearish retracement, and the initial bearish retracement is expected to be somewhere around, let's try to plot the Fibonacci level here, Fibonacci retracement here. So from this level to this level, so the market is initially likely to target 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, which is going to be somewhere around the same 1744 level. So market can drop from there below 1762 level. Market can drop towards 1744 level, and after testing this level, if market manages to close above this level, then well and good. Otherwise, the market has a potential to drop further until 61.8% Fibonacci level, which is going to be somewhere around 1744 level, and then we can expect a continuation of a bullish trend in the market. So whereas violation of 1761 level is going to give us further buying trend. Otherwise, if market manages to or continues to hold below 1762 level, then we are going to expect a bearish correction in the market. So overall, the market is in the oversold zone, overbought zone. As you can see here, the market is above 70 and above 80 level, and market is likely to show us a retracement. As you can see here, this is a breakout, and market can the RSI can drop down further, which means that we can expect a bearish correction in the precious metal gold right now. Whereas the long-term trend seems to be bullish, but for now, let's expect a bearish correction in the gold. Now let's speak about the Euro US dollar, guys. The Euro US dollar is trading again in a bearish mode. As you can see here, the market was showing us a bullish crossover on the MACD. The market has crossed below the 50 periods exponential moving average, while the market has tested the support level of 1.1170, and due to this particular crossover, we can expect market to show us a slight upward movement, and the upward movement is expected to be maximum until 1.12616 or 17 level. Guys, below this level, like if as you can see, this is a a trend line. This if I can drive a bigger trend line, if you want, then I can also do the bigger trend line, but this is a very nice trend line which is connecting all the dots. So Here we go. So it has to be a bit precise, but anyways, the market is consistently testing one high here, then the second high here, the third high is somewhere around here, then another high here. So that is why this level is going to be pretty solid for the Euro USD, and after testing this level we can expect a bearish correction in the market. So far now, as far as market is holding about 1.1170 level, we should look for the upward momentum in the market, while selling momentum can be seen in the Euro USD below 1.1170 level. And just make sure that the market is not violating this downward trend line, because above this bullish price can be seen in the Euro USD. So guys, that's all for now, and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and have a profitable day. Bye bye everyone.